Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury, where architecture meets imagination. Today, we step inside a modern billionaire's mega mansion, designed for future. Front exterior. This mansion isn't just built, it's engineered to perfection. Every line, every reflection speaks of wealth, precision, and vision. Grand entrance hall. As you enter, the grand foyer welcomes you with Italian marble, a digital chandelier, and a floating staircase made of glass and steel. Living area. The living area offers a 360-degree view of the city skyline, powered by smart glass that adjusts brightness with a single touch. Dining and kitchen. Luxury continues in the dining and kitchen area, where technology and elegance blend seamlessly. Even the chef's counter responds to your voice. Private cinema. For movie nights, the private home theater offers a true cinematic experience, soundproof, automated, and pure comfort. Smart home tech. Everything inside this mansion is controlled by AI, from lighting to climate, all tuned to your lifestyle. Master bedroom. The master suite is a peaceful retreat where glass walls reveal the horizon and the bed floats above hidden lighting. Luxury bathroom. Step into the spa-style bathroom crafted for serenity, featuring a jacuzzi rainfall shower and voice-activated ambient lighting. Fitness and wellness zone.